Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here we are packing another couponing bundle. So that was the binder with the personalization. And then included in this is 4 cash envelopes with your favorite store on it. We have somewhere to put our coupons in. This is 3 sheets of slots and also a change pouch. So very nice. It came out really nice. It was nice and shiny. So the Ultimate Couponing Bundle also has other items. We have all different collections. This is our Onyx collection right here. And it's super, super cool and convenient to take with you at the store. So the main thing when I used to coupon was organization. And I feel like this binder will organize everything that you would need for your couponing trip. Okay, included is these trip breakdowns. They are reusable. And I also have the instructions on how to make these last. So it has instructions on how to use a Sharpie with it and how to use a dry erase marker with it. So super cool that you can reuse these over and over again. Again, it comes with 4 of them and they fit perfectly in the A6 binder. So also included in this bundle is going to be our markers. So basically this is going to be a permanent marker as well as a pen. So the pen is included in every bundle, any color that you choose, the pen will be that color. So since this is the Onyx collection, you're getting the black color pen with the gold on it. So very, very super cool. And then the fine point permanent marker is perfect for your trip breakdown sheets. So very cool that it comes with this as well. Now let's just jump into our freebies. So you do get freebies with every order. This person got our A6 bookmark that fits perfectly into an A6 binder and also our black heart keychain with a pearl on it. So super cool. Every time you place an order at Jeanette'sJourney7.com, you guys will always have a freebie. Maybe it'll be envelopes that time. Maybe it'll be a free pen, some markers, or things like that. So I always include a freebie within every order. And right now in my website, we do have a 10% off on any order. So go and check that out. We have the couponing bundle. If you guys are interested in cash stuffing, I do have a cash stuffing starter kit. So it's called the beginner kit. And that includes, I believe, 3 envelopes as well as a breakdown for the savings challenges and a breakdown for like just budgeting period. It does include some saving challenges of your choice. I believe 3 of them, and you have to choose it in the personalization box. The binder also includes personalization on it. And yeah, you can definitely write anything you want on that binder. So super cool, guys. Thank you, Rosa, for your order. Watch my next packing video, so your packing video could be the next one if you place an order on Jeanette'sJourney7.com. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.